What's up, traders? Julian here from Trading.com, and we're reporting FORD today. This was the stock that was in play. Don't confuse this Ford with Ford Motors. This is Forward Industries, as you can see here. But FORD was, it was a usual suspect in the sense that it gave us everything that we're looking for right when the market opened, and it was a very, very volatile stock that actually got halted for a few minutes here. But we were able to get into this thing in a nice little breakout position. We did get in pre-halt. The halt, I was a bit, I was holding my breath there, but after the halt came off, this thing actually spiked a little bit here. And essentially, this niche little line here, this is what the halt looks like on TC2000. And essentially, we were in this stock. So what we were doing is after we were watching this thing just based on the volume and the float of the stock, I was just looking for some trendline resistance to break out. And I was waiting for trendline resistance above the VWAP to break out. I do that always. And so this is essentially what we were looking at right through here. I was triggered in right through this point on this bar right through here. We got long in this general area, but didn't get filled, unfortunately, until we were about a third the way through the print. So we got long this bar, and I was actually just looking to get into a quick day trade and get out of this thing at about 310. This thing was just rallying so hard. It bumped up. It came back down. I was about to sell my position. Then it curved back up to the upside. It moved sideways right through here. This is the halt. So I actually went to the NASDAQ halt list, confirmed that it had actually been halted. I was literally holding my breath. It came back online right through here. We got this little indecision print. And then as soon as this thing started to spike and drop, I just arbitrarily sold because I had passed my my target. And I got out of this probably about halfway through, to be completely honest. I think actually I did get out probably about 375. So again, we were in this thing about 280-ish, 285. We saw almost a full point of movement in just under 10 minutes. A good chunk of that that rip was in the halt. This was very, very lucky because sometimes things can halt and then they open up to the downside, and it is what it is, and you got to suffer through that that short-term loss. But FORD was the mover. It followed everything that we needed to get into the stock, and once we got triggered into this trade in this bar right through here, we got filled a little bit later, like I said, and it was through here we got halted. And then when it came back online, as soon as it ripped up and started to pull back, I just wanted to get out of the position and take what I got. The halt, actually, I had a bit of a hangover from this halt right here, so I just wanted to get it off my desk and crystallize those profits. And so that's what we did today. FORD. I'm happy to announce that a number of J. Lewis Trading members actually were trading this with me. I put this out on Twitter, and they were just trading the program and trading the strategy that we have. And again, there are a couple people that made some good cash on this trade today that are with the team. And so congratulations, guys. Good work. If you have any questions about this video or this trade, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. In the description box below, we've got links to all of our social media stuff. So if you're not following us on Twitter, hit the link below because I'm always putting out alerts real time as they come up. FORD was one of them. And if you haven't already, grab the 7 steps that successful traders take video series. It is also in the link below. Just hit www.jlewistrading.com in that description box. It'll take you straight to the 7 steps video series. Check it out. It's been extremely successful, and people are loving it. We got a couple more of those coming up. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do, because again, we're going to be firing off the content all day, every day. This is a recap. Trade of the day, FORD. And again, this was our day trade prospect. We got long, got a bit of a poor fill, got stuck in a halt, thing bumped to the upside, and we scalped almost a full point. Not a bad way to start the weekend. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks for watching.